You know what I should do? I should read the manual. I need to wear my glasses for this. One moment. Now, I did have prescribed glasses, but they broke. I never went to the doctor after that. So I got this at Family Dollars. It works just fine. It says, about your robots. What's in the box? I'm not reading that. Downward sensor. I feel like if I keep on putting it upside down, I might damage this thing. Well, this is a downward sensor, which is right next to the swivel. Right here, on top. Oh, so this is the suction port. Okay, so this is it, like that. So the suction port is this opening or this cavity that you see here. I suppose this is a part of the mopping system. So let's attach it to it. No, it's backwards. And it comes with a cloth, too. You know what? These cloths, let me check it out. Quite interesting. You know, this cloth, I need more than one. But unfortunately, it just comes with one. But I need more than one for my home. Maybe I can make one. Sew it up. Unless they're pretty cheap, then I'm not gonna waste time. Just purchase it on Amazon. Like I purchase everything. How do I put this in? Oh, snap. Snap. Good. So here we go. That's pretty good. Just dust. Like you can see this filter. At least they gave 2 filters. And only 1 pad. Mopping pad. But 2 filters. But 1 mopping pad. 2 filters. 1, 2. But 1 mopping pad. But that's okay. That's not the whole point. I just need maintenance throughout the week so that I can do vacuum deep clean during the weekend. So this is going to be my assistant for the weekday until I can use my regular vacuum during the weekend. See that? There's a sticker on top of it. Voila. Infrared. Signal.